Hello there, future homeowner. Have you ever dreamed of escaping the chaos of city life and embracing the tranquility of nature? Picture this, a charming countryside cottage nestled at the end of a picturesque Bulgarian village, a true haven for those seeking a peaceful retreat. As we step into this enchanting property, the allure of a simpler life becomes palpable. Here lies a unique opportunity, a cheap house for sale in Bulgaria near Veliko Tarnovo, where potential and affordability harmoniously meet. Spanning over 1,390 square meters of land, this property boasts not one, but two houses with a combined living area of approximately 300 square meters. The first house, a two-story Bulgarian gem with brick walls and timber beams, whispers tales of history and tradition. Picture yourself strolling through its spacious rooms, each echoing the whispers of a bygone era. Adjacent to this, a newly built, unfinished second house awaits transformation. A modern marvel constructed entirely from reinforced concrete, featuring panoramic windows that frame the breathtaking surroundings. Imagine converting its almost flat roof into an expansive sundeck balcony, a canvas for you to paint your own panoramic masterpiece. Yes, there's work to be done, but envision the journey, a phased renovation where you can move in and live comfortably while crafting the rest into your dream home. And fear not, our team of highly qualified builders stands ready to assist in every step of your vision. Now, let's talk possibilities. Fast cable internet, satellite TV, and GSM coverage ensure you're connected to the world while surrounded by nature's embrace. In the garden, fruit trees beckon, offering shade and a potential canvas for a barbecue area, swimming pool, or playground, your choice. Consider the potential for a small farm or a bed and breakfast business. Picture yourself waking up to stunning views and exploring beautiful forests, rivers, and meadows, perfect for horse riding or leisurely strolls. Is self-sufficiency your dream? The fertile, 100% freehold land invites you to cultivate crops, grow your own food, or even venture into a profitable honeybee business. Now, I invite you to ponder, is this the haven you've been seeking? Can you envision a life where the whispers of nature drown out the noise of the city? Share your dreams in the comments below. This opportunity is available for cash or through flexible pay monthly plans tailored to your needs. Act now, for this could be the gateway to the life you've always imagined. Before we part ways, leave us a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more updates on properties that could shape your dreams. We are BulgarianPropertyFinder.com, and we can't wait to welcome you to our next video.